Musta Ratrat Nation, this is Basketballs.ph at welcome sa ating motor review. Ito na ang ating part 2 ng ating pag-attend sa Makina Moto Expo 2025. So tara, umpisahan na natin. Magsimula muna tayo sa booth ng Royal Enfield. Meron silang bagong launch, yung Interceptor Bear 650, isang scrambler type, perfect for touring. Is a 648cc inline twin cylinder 4-stroke air-cooled single overhead cam with 6-speed transmission gear. Meron itong 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, weighing at 216 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 13.6 liters. Features nito, naka-OLED lighting system, TFT display, Bluetooth music control, navigation with Google Maps, at naka-dual ABS. SRP starts at 445,000 pesos. Punta naman tayo sa booth ng SYM Philippines. Merong bagong launch na expressway legal na maxi scooter, which is yung Cruisim 400. It's a 400cc 4-stroke single cylinder, 4 valves, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Meron itong 33.5 horsepower and 37 Nm of torque. Seat height of 785mm with fuel tank capacity of 14.5 liters. Features po nito, naka-dual ABS at meron ding TCS. Naka-customized camelback seat, 7-inch TFT display, meron projector lamps, integrated turn signals, naka-keyless system, adjustable windscreen at iba pa. Wala pang binibigay sa amin na SRP pero available na ito soon. Eto na, dito umiinit yung launch, mas malakas pa sa ADV 160. Ito ay ang 2025 Euro Motors Falcon 180i. Isang 180cc, single cylinder, 4 valves, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Meron itong 24.8 horsepower and 70.2 Nm of torque, weighing at 136 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 8.5 liters. Features po nito, dalawang klase, isang ABS version and isang CBS version or yung combi brake system. Naka-OLED lighting, smart key system, may charging port, disc brake harap at likod, naka-customized camelback seat. SRP po nito is at 129,900. Next naman sa booth ni Lambretta Philippines, X300, isang retro classic design pero modern ang mga features. It's a 275cc, 4-stroke, 4 valves, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Meron itong 25.1 horsepower and 24.5 Nm of torque, weighing at 160 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 7.5 liters. Features nito, naka-OLED lighting system, dual arm link suspension and dual coil suspension. Naka-dual ABS or anti-lock braking system, naka-digital panel display at may top box bracket. SRP nito ay nasa 390,000 pesos. Next is yung Lambretta X200. Same lang din sa design pero magkaiba ng features. It's a 184.7cc, 4-stroke, 4 valve, single cylinder, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Meron itong 18.3 horsepower and 16.5 Nm of torque, weighing at 160 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 7.5 liters. SRP nito ay nasa 285,000 pesos. Punta naman tayo sa booth ng FKM or Fecon Motors. Meron silang 4 na bagong motor. Isa dito yung Express 500SC and Express 500 Racer. Pareha sila na 500cc, 8 valves, parallel twin engine, liquid cooled, fuel ejected with 6-speed transmission gear. Naka-dual ABS, weighing at 192 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 13.5 liters. SRP ng Express 500SC is at 278,000 pesos, while yung Express 500 Racer is at 268,000 pesos. Next is yung ARY 500. 500cc, 8 valves, parallel twin engine, dual overhead cam, liquid cooled with 6-speed transmission gear and fuel injected. Meron itong 46.9 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque, weighing at 290 kilograms, dual ABS with fuel tank capacity of 16 liters. Wala pang available na SRP, tune in lang po sa mga details. Next is yung FKM Coolsurf 500. It's a 500cc V-twin engine, dual overhead cam, 8 valves, liquid cooled with 6-speed transmission gear and fuel injected. Meron itong 37.5 horsepower and 38.5 Nm of torque, weighing at 193 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 16.8 liters. SRP nito nasa 236,000 pesos. Dito naman tayo sa booth ng KTM. Ito po yung brand na may maraming bagong launch na motor. Isa dyan yung KTM 390 Adventure X, SRP at 329,000 pesos. KTM 390 SMCR, SRP at 349,000 pesos. KTM 390 Adventure R, SRP at 399,000 pesos. KTM 390 Enduro R starts at 349,000 pesos. Then itong the rest ay 2024 edition KTM 890 Adventure R, SRP at 1,049,000 pesos. KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, SRP at 1,390,000 pesos. At yung last, KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo, SRP at 1,390,000 pesos. Next, dito naman tayo sa booth ng Husqvarna. Meron tayong bagong launch na expressway legal na bike, which is yung 2025 Vitpelen 801. It's a roadster inspired bike na 800cc parallel twin engine that produces 105 horsepower with fuel tank capacity of 14 liters. SRP nito is nasa 789,000 pesos. Next is yung 2024 Svartpilen 801 with 799cc that produces same with 105 horsepower with fuel tank capacity of 14 liters. Merong pre-ride modes of street, sport, and rain. May anti-lock braking system and traction control. SRP is at 749,000 pesos. Maraming salamat po at sinamahan nyo kami dito sa Makina Moto Expo 2025 dito sa SMX Convention. Sana po ay nabigyan namin kayo ng idea para sa mga inyong dream bike. Choose wisely at kahit atong motor na mapili nyo, alagaan nyo siya sa langis at ride safe sa lahat ng babiyahe. Kita-kita na lang po next year sa Makina Moto 2026. Para sa mga updates ng ating motor review, please follow us on our Facebook page, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and YouTube channel, BaseBoys.ph. Please like and share ang ating mga motor reviews para mabigyan natin ng detalyado at kumpletong information ang ating mga moto viewers para makapili sila ng kanilang dream bike. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsuporta. Ride safe, Rat Rat Nation!